How to use the mirror command in AutoCAD. Welcome back to Sonic Tech. In this video, you will learn how to use the mirror command in AutoCAD. The mirror command in AutoCAD allows you to create a reversed copy of selected objects across a specified line. By default, when you mirror a text object, the direction of the text is not changed. Set the mirror text system variable to 1 if you do want the text to be reversed. Click the Home tab. Modify panel. Then, the mirror command. Or type MI in the command line, then press Enter. Select the objects to mirror. Specify the first and second points of the mirror line. The two specified points become the endpoints of a line about which the selected objects are mirrored. Choose whether to erase or keep the original objects. Finally, for mirroring in 3D, this line defines a mirroring plane perpendicular to the XY plane of the user coordinate system, UCS, containing the mirror line.